Hi everyone, this is Abigail Santos Natan, your trusted Avida broker. Today, I'm excited to take you on a quick guide on how to get to Alviera in Porac, Pampanga. Kung galing kayo sa Metro Manila like me, I'm from Quezon City or other nearby areas, i-mention ko yung mga best routes to Alviera. Let's go! Guys, I'm here in Balintawak, Quezon City. So from Balintawak, I'll exit sa Balintawak NLEX Toll Plaza. So from the Toll Plaza of Balintawak, it will be just an hour and 30-minute drive or an hour and 15-minute drive to Alviera. So let's go! If you're from Makati or some areas of Manila or some areas in Las Piñas, Parañaque or the South Luzon area, you can actually take the Skyway Stage 3, then you can exit to NLEX off-ramp ng Skyway. Tapos NLEX Balintawak na. If you are from Pasig naman po or Taguig area, Mandaluyong, BGC or areas of Rizal, sa EDSA kayo. So you can take EDSA and then you can exit to Balintawak. If you are guys from the Kamanava area, you can use the NLEX Harbor link and then exit to NLEX, of course, and then EDSITEX, and then you can exit to EDSITEX Porac exit then. If you are from Pampanga area naman or Bulacan area, it's up to you if you want to drive via the expressway, via NLEX, or may service road option din tayo. So, exit kayo ng Porac Service Road. From San Fernando, if you guys are from San Fernando or nearby towns ng San Fernando, there's an option na mag-Porac Bypass Road kayo and then exit to Porac Service Road. And that's Alviera already. Sa Angeles area naman, or mga taga-Angeles, no, you're from Friendship. So, meron din tayong service road going to Alviera. So, you can just take the Angeles, Florida Blanca, Porac, Dinalupihan Road. And then, may exit na doon papuntang Porac Service Road to Alviera. See, sobrang accessible ng Alviera, ang dami mong access. So, in the future, pag fully developed na ang Alviera, pag business district na siya, hindi naman tayo mangangamba na, ay, sa Porac exit lang lahat ang pasok. So, hindi, kasi may service road access din. Guys, andito na tayo sa Angeles exit ng NLEX. So, andito yung Marquee Mall. And then, sa Marquee Mall, may bus terminal din dyan. So, if you will live in Alviera, pwede ka dito sumakay ng bus going back to Manila or from Manila to Angeles. Ayan, 20-minute drive na lang, nasa Alviera na tayo, no? Yes, the most awaited North-South Commuter Railway. Ito yung elevated train tracks ng NSCR. Grabe, sobrang excited na natin na mga taga Central Luzon. Kahit hindi na tayo magkotse eventually or bus from Metro Manila or from the South, sobrang bilis na nating makakarating from Manila to Clark or from Calamba to Clark. Kitang-kita rin from EDSITEX ang Clark International Airport. So currently, yan, meron na tayong mga international flights from Qatar, Hong Kong, Taipei, Japan, dito sa Clark International Airport. And also yung mga local flights din natin. And we're here in Alviera, guys. Welcome to Alviera. So there you have it, guys. I hope naging helpful ang video na to para sa may plan pumunta ng Alviera pero walang idea kung saan dadaan or ilang hours yung biyahe or if traffic ba. Pero na-mention ko nga kanina, hindi lang Exitex Porac exit yung entry point and exit point natin sa Alviera. But we also have a service road from different parts of Pampanga, like Angeles or San Fernando. If you have more questions or you want to explore more about this beautiful community, feel free to reach out to me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel para updated kayo sa next videos ko. Thank you so much and see you soon here in Alviera.